Introducing the JBL Tune 660NC headphones, your perfect companion for immersive sound experiences. With active noise cancellation, they block out the world so you can dive into your music undisturbed. These headphones deliver high-quality sound that resonates with the precision you expect from JBL. Designed for prolonged comfort, they sit snugly over your ears, ensuring a delightful listening experience for hours on end. The long-lasting battery life means you can enjoy your favorite tunes from sunrise till sunset without needing a recharge. Navigating through your playlist or taking calls is effortless with the intuitive controls that put everything you need right at your fingertips. Plus, the JBL Tune 660NC headphones are crafted for portability with their full flat design, making them easy to slip into your bag and take wherever you go. Whether you're commuting, working, or just relaxing at home, these headphones adapt perfectly to your lifestyle, offering convenience and superior audio quality all day long. Choose JBL Tune 660NC for a seamless blend of technology and comfort, elevating your music listening to a whole new level.